Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be writing a song Nothing Else Matters and we'll be trying in cursive. So let's get started. In this example, I'll be using a pen from Zebra Sarasa Clip and the tip size will be 0.5 mm. The paper used is a normal 80 GSM paper and 2 lines paper has been used. And the reason of writing this song is due to the common phrases or common sentences so that we can practice common words or several times. And in this way, we can practice the consistency of the words. In the first attempt, the height of all the small letters has been around 0.5 centimeter, and in this next attempt the height of the small letters has been around 0.4 or less than 0.5 centimeter. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.